PavBhaji, but Mom suggested this idea. Here, why don't I try to make it? So she's gonna tell me what to do first and last, and I'm gonna try to see how it tastes.
So this is our first time doing it in Instant Pot.
Yeah.
So,
Right?
Right.
So I'm gonna. There's already some ghee
Face
there,
it
so I'm
to
gonna
me,
put
mommy.
Butter.
some butter.
Face it to me, mommy.
Use that one anyway.
Face it to me, mommy.
Yeah.
So now what do we do?
It's super easy. At the what is it called
Okay,
again?
so now what do we do?
Now first you put some onion.
Onions.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not like that. You have to hold it here and then put everything. I will hold it for you. Then you put everything. Yeah.
All of it.
So this is some cut onion. You can use a spoon now. And some ginger garlic paste and some chili.
All of this.
Yeah.
So this is the bhaji, no?
Right.
So we're making the bhaji right now.
And stir it.
What? This?
Mm-hmm.
This way. I'm not known for my cooking skills, so hopefully this is good. You think it'll be good?
So, and we have put it in saute mode.
Saute. Why saute? Oh,
Because
right,
we are
never mind.
sauteing right now
Yeah.
vegetables.
That makes sense.
Let it be like that for a little bit. Don't keep on stirring it. In the meantime, I'm going to show you, like I have cut the potatoes, some tomatoes, and can you show me that?
What? This.
Yeah,
some
coriander.
Some frozen veggies.
Come here. I want to see.
Some frozen veggies.
Yeah.
You can see that they're frozen because.
Yeah. Some green peas, some pepper.
Here, you know what? I'm gonna do the dare. I'm gonna eat this frozen pea, and this video should get 200 likes for this one pea.
Yeah, 200 likes.
Okay. I think you can now keep stirring.
Okay.
You want a
But
spoon?
wait, but why don't we? No, I don't need a spoon. This is actually good.
Stool.
No, I don't need a spoon.
Okay, that's okay. Yeah.
Now what do we put in?
Let it be a little bit.
Yo, what's this?
So I think they are getting brownish in color. Now it's time
So
to put
I'm gonna put the potatoes in first. Is that
again.
okay?
Yeah, all of them. You need to. Ah.
Oh.
Be careful, okay? And all the
Potatoes?
yeah. Now the turn for vegetables.
Do we stir it?
Yeah. All the frozen vegetables.
Frozen veggies. Take this out. Gosh. All of it? Wow.
And now some masala, PavBhaji masala.
Oh yeah, this. I was thinking it was cinnamon. PavBhaji masala. All around.
Mix it.
All the PavBhaji masala in there. Here, do we put some water?
Yeah. Now it's time for water.
Where's the water?
You have to get it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think in that bowl you can.
This?
Yeah.
Is this much
Enough.
good?
Enough. Maybe half of it.
This much?
Like half of it.
Oh, okay. So,
I think full.
about 500 mLs, milligrams. Just mix it.
Mix it, and the masala already has salt, so we don't have to put anything. And if we need more, we can do it later.
Don't you need
No,
to chop this?
not now. Now close the lid.
Okay. Hopefully I can close it because we always have trouble. See how Wait. Things. Sorry. Gosh.
Let me try.
I'm so horrible at this.
Now,
So, the PavBhaji is done. So after the you put it on for 13 minutes, and after the 13 minutes, you probably wait for about 50 minutes if you put as much as water as we did. But if you put half of that, then just 10 more minutes, and then you add a little bit more water and turn it back on to saute for a little bit, like we did right now. So that,
and then mash it with the masher. Can you put some coriander?
I'm trying to garnish.
And before serving, you can always put some butter.
Yeah.
And now you can switch it off.
Wait, so
Oh,
cancel.
yeah.
And the bao, it's really simple. All you gotta do.
Do you want to say something, Andrea?
It looks good. We were just playing, so I'm getting hungry.
So we made the PavBhaji and we came out. We put some butter.
I don't even know how the butter didn't even fully melt. We've been playing for like 30 minutes and it still hasn't melted in the car. And you know how hot cars are. Like a lot of people have died in hot cars. I don't know why this butter didn't die.
How is it?
It's real good.